The Cell Cycle, a paper slide video by Juliet and Daniel.
These are the three major stages. Interphase, to prepare for reproduction. Mitosis, divides/duplicates the cell's nucleus into two equal parts. Cytokinesis, separates the two nuclei and condense into two daughter cells.
Interphase. In this step, it looks like the cell is just resting, but really the cell is very busy with regular cell activity and is constantly synthesizing RNA. During this phase, there are 4 steps. Gap 0. The first step of interphase is a temporary state of rest. In Gap 1, cells produce RNA, increase in size, and synthesize protein. The S phase, or synthesis stage, is the DNA replicating and creating an exact copy of its code for the 2 daughter cells. Gap 2 is the time in between synthesis and mitosis. The cell is growing and making new proteins.
Now onto the next stage of the cell cycle, mitosis. Early prophase. The replicated chromosomes become X-shaped and are visible under microscope. Spindle fibers start from the centrioles. Late prophase. When the spindle fibers complete forming, the chromosomes attach to the spindle fibers at the centromeres. The nuclear membrane disappears. Metaphase. The tugging action of the spindle fibers pulls the X-shaped chromosomes into a line across the equator of the cell. Anaphase. The spindle fibers contract/shorten, which pulls the sister chromatides to move to the opposite poles. Telophase, which is the final stage of mitosis. A complete set of chromosomes are at each pole. The spindle fibers begin to disappear. A nucleolus appears within each nucleus. Now there are 2 nuclei in one cell, and the cell is ready to divide.
Cytokinesis is when the spindle fibers that are not attached to chromosomes break down until very little is left. The part that is left is where a contractile cleaves the cell into a pair of daughter cells. By now, we all know what a chromosome is, a tightly organized package of DNA. But did you know that chromosomes have 2 chromatids and are attached by the centromere? The chromatids are identical copies of the DNA, known as sister chromatids. The cell production graph shows that the amount of cells in your body doubles every day. Notice that in just 30 days, your body's cell count goes from 1 to 536,870,912. Isn't that crazy? Thanks for watching!